Welcome to the Pokemon Squad. We're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time, and we've got another video featuring our Uforce 800XL. And the question is, how big of a tire can you fit on this machine? The Uforce 800XL comes stock with 27-inch tires, which is definitely a good tire size, and it looks fantastic. But we can always go bigger, right? Just how big can we go? Well, let's just find out. I traded in our stock tires for a used set of 30 inches to see if they would fit. And this set does, an ITP 30-inch mud tire. They were used, but they did not rub. They fit perfectly. But the ride was really rough. I really needed something a little bit smoother. How about these? These are GBC Terra Master 30-inch tires, and to me they look fantastic. Definitely more my style. What do you think? You prefer the mud or the street? So let's go ahead and take a little trip to the tire shop and see just what these bad boys look like on. Here is the finished product, and in my opinion, this is what this machine should have looked like from the factory. Look at these huge tires. They look fantastic to me. Leave a like in the comments if you like these tires on this machine, but not all sunshine and rainbows, because this tire does rub. Now, it only rubs when you turn it a good bit of the way, but it definitely rubs. It doesn't touch when it's sitting here, but you see just how close it is, and it will rub. You can hear it here in this video. If you choose to put true to size 30-inch tires on your 800XL, you most likely will rub a little bit. Do you lose any power with a tire this size? Yes, you do, but it's not nearly as bad as I thought it would be. I don't think I'll have any reason to get a clutch kit. This is definitely just fine for me. Now, you can definitely ride on this tire unless you're turning about 3/4 of the way. You don't rub. I don't have any rubbing going in a straight line even when I'm bouncing around, as you can tell here. So these tires are definitely drivable, even for every day. But I think that we're going to do something a little bit extra that I'll reveal in just a moment. But this thing doesn't have any trouble slinging the rear end around and tossing up a whole lot of dirt and having a lot of fun. Alright, so as you saw, the new tires rub. Unfortunately, that means in an upcoming video, we're going to have to put a lift kit on this. So if you want to see us put a lift kit on this, put a like on this video, and please subscribe for more. Going to lift this thing up about 2.5 inches, put some wheel spacers on it. And so if that interests you, definitely stick around, because that's coming. All right, tell them good night, good pulls, and God bless.
Good pulls, God bless.
You heard it.